We're in Winterville, North Carolina on a job site. We'll be moving approximately 20,000 yards of cut to fill on site and approximately 6,000 yards of topsoil. Storm detention ponds are getting to be harder and harder to build in today's world with the designs that engineers are using, so we just needed something that was more accurate. We're using a PC 210 LCI with a tilt bucket on it. We're using it to do all the grading on site as far as storm ponds and excavation. We're not dependent on a man shooting grade. The machine is actually controlling the grade for us, and it's more accurate at the end of the job, and we have to be concerned with as-builts on these storm ponds now. The machine is set up to tilt the coupler on its own and create a swell when need be, and we call it a one and done motion. We don't have to go back and regrade. It takes the grade and slopes and shapes as we go. So it saves a lot of money for material not moved. If you were to ever demo one and see what it does for you, it'd be a no-brainer. You'd see the amount of time and effort it saves.
As the operator, I would say that I probably like the part of the user-friendliness of the machine the most. You have a very easy to read screen in front of you. The controls are right there at your fingertips. On the screen inside the operator's cab, I have a full layout of the job site. Adding the 2.0 coupler to the machine makes it a lot more versatile. It adds a lot more capabilities to the machine. It takes dozer work out of it, it takes man work out of it, slopes, swells, crowns, curbs. Anything can pretty much be done with adding the 2.0 coupler to it. The coupler is joined to a control on your right-hand joystick. It's a thumb control. One way tilts it to your left, one way tilts it to your right. It also has your normal control that a standard bucket would have. You don't have to put so much wear and tear on the machine having that 2.0 coupler on there. You have your capability of tilting the bucket versus having to move your machine. So yes, it's day and night difference having the 2.0 coupler and of course, this machine.